Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest Windows tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into a handy tutorial on how to open Control Panel without Search Bar, 2025. If you're running Windows 2025 and your search bar is glitchy, hidden, or just not your thing, don't worry. I've got 3 simple, alternative methods to get you straight to the Control Panel in no time. First off, let's talk about the quickest way, using the Run dialog box. This is perfect for keyboard warriors. Just press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard. That little box will pop up. Now, type in Control and hit Enter. Boom! The Control Panel opens right up. It's fast, efficient, and works every time without needing a mouse. If you're more of a mouse user, try this second method from the Start menu. Right-click on the Start button. That's the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. A menu will appear, and you can simply select Control Panel from the list. Easy peasy. This method is great if you like visual navigation and keeps things straightforward. For our third option, let's head over to File Explorer. Open File Explorer by clicking its icon on the taskbar or pressing Windows plus E. Then, in the address bar at the top, type Control and press Enter. You'll be whisked away to the Control Panel in seconds. This is especially useful if you're already browsing files and don't want to switch apps. Why bother with these methods? Well, in Windows 2025, Microsoft is pushing more towards the Settings app, but sometimes you just need the classic Control Panel for deeper system tweaks. Remember, these tricks work on most recent Windows versions, so you're set for the future too. There you have it. 3 reliable ways to access Control Panel without the search bar. Give this video a like if it helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more 2025 Windows hacks and tech tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tech savvy.